Why you can't see the profile views on TikTok? Watch this video to find out. First, open the TikTok app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now make sure the profile view feature is enabled. Click on the footstep icon at the top right. If it is disabled, tap on the Turn On button to enable the profile view history. However, if the icon isn't there, follow this alternative path. Go back and tap the three lines at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy. Likewise, choose the Viewers option and toggle the switch to on position. After that, go back and clear your TikTok cache. To do this, scroll down and select Free Up Space. Moreover, click on the Clear button beside the cache and confirm your action when prompted. Lastly, go back and click on the footstep icon and you will be able to see people who viewed your profile. By following this step, you will be able to see the profile view on TikTok.